Namaste dear students and welcome in our RSU group of schools virtual classes of science class 5th book blossom. Chapter 1 Understanding our relations. The aim of our today's class is to learn about relations. So now let's start with keywords. The first keyword is nuclear family. It means small family. The second keyword is joint family. It means big family. The third keyword is paternal relatives. It means family from father's side. The fourth keyword is maternal relatives. It means family from mother's side. We all have different types of family, and in our families we have different types of relations. We all live together in a family and take care of each other. Families are of two types. First one is nuclear family, a family in which only parents living with their children. The second one is joint family, a family in which parents, their children, uncle, aunt, their children, grandfather and grandmother live together. Points for discussion. What are the reasons for the formation of nuclear families? Children nowadays, in the search of occupation or higher education, families are migrating from villages to cities. In cities, there are mostly small houses in which few family members can stay together. Therefore, the joint families are divided into nuclear families. Some other reasons are also there for the division of joint families, like number of family members, habits, behavior of the family members, economic condition, capacity to spend, continuous changing in the ways of celebration of festivals, etc. Children, you all might be knowing about what is family tree. It is a diagram showing relationships between different generations of a family. It can be both paternal and maternal side. Now, next topic is adoption. Do you know what is adoption? It is a legal protection given to any relative's child or any other child. By adopting a child, his or her new parents give the child a new life and a new environment. It is a way to provide a loving home to a child. There are many governmental and non-governmental organizations who provide such children basic facility. Children, all of you resemble either your mother or father in physical characteristics, habits, etc. The physical characteristics are inherited in the children from their parents and grandparents. These characters are known as hereditary characters, and this phenomena is called inheritance. Inheritance means transfer of characteristics from generation to generation. Some characteristics are acquired from the surroundings and these are not inherited. We must know George John Mendel has done a lot of experiment on the pea plant and he formulated the laws of inheritance. For this reason, he is known as the father of genetics. Now, next topic is Dr. Hargovind Khurana. Dr. Hargovind Khurana has written many research papers regarding determination of the inheritance of new characteristics. For his excellent work, he has awarded his Nobel Prize. Children, I hope you understood about inheritance. Children, do you know the process of inheritance of characteristics exists in animals also? Thank you.